Ten absolutely valuable lessons from the book Rich Dad Poor Dad. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is one of the best books that has shaped the financial views of many people around the world. Robert Kiyosaki is telling the story of his two dads and what he learned about money from them. The rich dad is Kiyosaki's biological father, a highly educated college professor. The poor dad is Kiyosaki's best friend's father, a wealthy entrepreneur who owns dozens of businesses. Both dads had conflicting beliefs about money. One dad recommended, study hard so you can find a good company to work for. The other recommended, study hard so you can find a good company to buy. The following are a list of valuable lessons the book teaches us. Make mistakes and learn from them. People who avoid failure also avoid success. In school, we learn that mistakes are bad, and we are punished for making them. Yet, if you look at the way humans are designed to learn, we learn by making mistakes. We learn to walk by falling down. If we never fell down, we would never walk. Winners are not afraid of losing. But losers are. Failure is part of the process of success. You're only poor if you give up. The most important thing is that you did something. Most people only talk and dream of getting rich. You've done something. If you're the kind of person who has no guts, you just give up every time life pushes you. If you're that kind of person, you'll live all your life playing it safe, doing the right things, saving yourself for something that never happens. Then, you die a boring old man. There is always risk, so learn to manage risk instead of avoiding it. Sometimes you win and sometimes you learn. But have fun. Most people never win because they're more afraid of losing. Give what you want to receive back. Whenever you feel short or in need of something, give what you want first and it will come back in buckets. That is true for money, a smile, love, friendship. I know it is often the last thing a person may want to do, but it has always worked for me. I just trust that the principle of reciprocity is true, and I give what I want.